Hola, ¿cómo estáis? Hoy vamos a practicar unas expresiones con frases condicionales. Today we will practice some useful conditional phrases in Spanish. Answers to all tasks involved in this lesson will be given at the end of the post, and you can also follow a link with this post to watch the original theory video lesson on the same topic. First, let's see if you understand the following sentences in Spanish. Salvo que tengas tiempo, no es necesario que vengas mañana. Siempre que llueva, coge el paraguas. A no ser que tengas algún problema, no hace falta que me llames. Voy con vosotros siempre y cuando os parezca bien. Voy a hacer todo con tal de que vengas conmigo. Voy a estudiar toda la tarde, excepto si estoy muy cansada. Next, please translate the following sentences from English to Spanish using the expression de haber. If I had known he was the singer, I wouldn't have come to the concert. If we had cooked the dinner before, we would be more relaxed now. If I had studied more, I would have passed the exam. If they had worked more, the results would have been better. If she had come, she would have had a great time. If I had seen you, I would have said hello. Now we are going to practice the expression si lo llego a saber, which means if I had known it. Please translate the following sentences from English to Spanish using this Spanish expression. If I had known it, I wouldn't have gone there. If I had known it, I would have called you. If I had known it, the house would be clean. If I had known it, everything would be okay. If I had known it, I would have studied more. If I had known it, I would have bought that book. Finally, I will give you some situations and I would like you to make a sentence with si lo llego a saber, related to the situation. For example, if I say, no ha venido nadie a la fiesta, you could say, si lo llego a saber, no compro tanta comida. Hace muchísimo calor. Hoy no hay colegio. No hay nada interesante en la tele. Este restaurante no tiene mesas libres. Está lloviendo. Tu vuelo se ha retrasado. Bueno, pues esto es todo por hoy. I hope you understand these conditional expressions better now and are more confident on how to use them. Try to make practice sentences to feel little by little more familiar with them. Eventually, you will find it easy to use them in conversation and they will come out of your mouth automatically. Hasta la próxima semana.